guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the left or right audio only on CapCut PC. So for instance, it's like in imbalance, it's like not balanced, if that made sense. Anyways, you're just going to go and select the audio. You're going to scroll down until you find channels. You're going to select the tick button here. So there are two options. You either fill right with left or fill left with right. So if you only have audio on your left side, you're going to select fill right with left. If you only have audio on your right side, you're going to select fill left with right. My audio isn't bad, so it still will sound the same. This is me just testing the voice. That will just sound the same, but if your audio is only on the left side, you can fix it with this feature. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!